311. I'm going to have one on the on-ramp. I'm going to have it here. On-ramp on the I-90. Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Turn around! Stop! Stop running! Get on the ground! Cover car! Cover car! Cover car! Get on the ground, put your hands behind your back! You hear about the shooting? Don't move.
Where we at? Where all my friends are getting fucking slaughtered. So right?
Stop!
What else is new? What else you got?
Look at this stupid egg. Alright. Got anything on you I should know about?
Hey, where's my Wells Fargo
Got anything
shot?
on you I should know about? Let's get him on the side. Let's get him off his chest.
You guys are fucking worthless.
How about you stealing a car, man?
Is that what it is? Those are facts?
You're in a stolen car, tell me.
Look, the paper says Joseph Anthony Hunt.
Okay, relax, relax, relax.
What the fuck is your
You have
problem?
anything on you I should know about?
Fuck you. Okay. 2068.
Sit on your butt for me. I'm gonna get you up. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I'm glad none of us got that.
Let's go up in front of my car.
Fucking unbelievable.
Up in front of the truck.
For what?
Right here.
You don't think I get gas
No,
money,
just relax,
can you?
relax, relax. Go ahead.
Fucking unbelievable. I can own a Wells Fargo card that has $76 billion, but I can't have fucking gas money. Is that why this happened? No. Your worthless ass can't fucking do anything but leech off motherfuckers. Okay.
Stand up for me a bit. Stand up. Stand up, dude.
Y'all are crooked. Oh shit! I'm gonna kill this guy in jail.
Relax.
You did. Only facts. Piece of shit.
Hold on, Joel.
You too. Were you guys butt buddies? Oh, what was my name? Last name?
Alright. So he was broken down, or well, obviously OnStar killed the car. And he's standing outside with his hands up, kind of like flailing around upset, and he takes the keys and chucks them over the back of the car. So, doesn't he?
I called dispatch to see what Lake Delton wants done with it. So
Is it registered Wisconsin Ducks?
it is. That's where it must be.
Did he just pull over, or did
Well, OnStar killed it, and so he's standing outside the car looking at it like something's wrong with it. I imagine they're going to want to fingerprint it.
I don't know. Well, since we got the ball here.
Joseph?
Is it cool enough?
Is in Joseph Anthony Hunt. What?
Is it cool enough in there? Do you want windows open and the AC on?
Maybe I had a dog.
Do you want the AC on? I'll turn it on for you.
Scott County has confirmed the stolen, but haven't said what to do with it yet. I can put their number on the header.
It's like this was somebody's personal truck.
Yeah. I've asked him several times if there's anything is in this truck that he wants, and
I don't think there is.
I'm a fairy, this and that.
I don't think there is anything of his in here.
He didn't have nothing to hit, like, this is baseball stuff.
That's a softball. It's a little girl's softball stuff. I think this was used as a personal car.
Company car, that thing.
Yeah, none of his stuff is in here. There's nothing in there.
Done, big boy.
You doing okay?
Fuck off.
Okay.
He's the same guy and the guy in the back seat.
How old is this picture?
We don't know. That's old.
I'd say yeah. That looks like it's right.
But
yeah,
that's him.
that's him.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's get him out of here. All right. Thanks, Ed.
Cool.
He was spitting. Yeah. He's kicking, spitting, screaming. Good luck.
Totally cooperative. Yeah, looks like it. I'm walking on my own 2 feet and I could it. And I'm fucking doing shit. Oh, there's a fucking wall.